Be careful. Slow. Be careful. Slow. Isa ko? Kibuka ya ka, Angel. Ito ka buka ka, Angel. Isa ko? Kawa pare, JC Rizamay. That's why I parked outside.
Are you going slow? Are you going slow?
So I said, but what's each service? And I get dig up.
Okay.
Kinonyani. Hi. Good and you. I don't know what it wants us to do. That's what I said to him. That's what I said to him yesterday.
She planted them and they all grew. Half a meter tall.
Kaka, lat. Le blanc, gentle. He used to pull them out. Le blanc, gentle. Gentle. Taya isa. Malelo tsoma tsela malelo isa ko. It never happens like this. I'm trying to show Costas what we do when we leave the house. With me and the children.
Oh, how you guys been? I thought of you yesterday. Hello, look at these Crocs. Lisa decided she wants Crocs. I don't understand Crocs. You're also wearing Crocs.
Chores.
Oh, he's doing his chores.
Costas, you need to stay close to Isako. He's gonna fall any second.
You know this, but it does fall.
Oh, they look like ants when you light them up.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Do look like it.
So beautiful.
But it's the right time for them to come out.
Oh, that's...
Huh?
Wow. Okay guys, let me go.
I'm teaching 3 courses at the moment.
Hey, that's hectic. And you have to prepare, teach.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay.
Let's go.
After me.
Happy gone. Kite.
Hey, I get kite.
Yeah.
Kinsos.
Keep the child up and
Hey. Okay, ba?
my shoe.
Hey. Okay, ba? Ako na sit. Sige, lot.
That's nice, Mama.
Kipeba.
Hey?
Kipeba.
Hey?
Kipeba.
Oh. Keep babe.
Hey. Harsamay.
Let's go slow.
Harsamay.